Ryan here, Silly Reviews. We're at an Airbnb. We have a Keurig 2.0 machine here. Nice white in color, nice and clean, looks relatively new. It does not take proprietary Keurig K-Cups. You can get any brand. We have the New England coffee. Easy to use if you find yourself in front of one of these 2.0s. Make sure you have fresh filtered water in the back. Press the power button on the touchscreen. It'll preheat the water. That big Keurig button will flash. You can adjust the settings on the screen. Press if you want a stronger brew. You can adjust 8 ounces, 6 ounces. Even has a hot cocoa button, which will allow you to just let out the hot water. And you can use a packet of some of the hot cocoa like we have there. Pretty handy dandy. Touchscreen is responsive, if not pretty small, but it works out for me. You can see here we're going to brew a 6-ouncer on strong. I like to get mine pretty potent. It's going to make a small cup, but it's going to make a strong cup. And if you're fast enough, hurry up, put some milk in there and put your sweetener if you like that. Get to drinking before it cools down. Here's a look from the back. We always like to look at it from the back. Not a bad machine. It's going to take you 20, maybe 30 seconds, depending on the ounces that you use to get this brewed up. You can do other things while you wait, or you can just watch it like we're doing. Kind of fun just to watch. Cleaning, pretty easy. You'll run, or what I've always done with these types of machines is a little vinegar and water in the reservoir. You let that run through a few times, gets it pretty clean. And on the inside, you can wipe off any kind of old mess. But if you use these machines frequently, cleaning them really isn't a big deal. You brew a couple cups daily, it really doesn't have the opportunity to get too funky. You can see here in relatively no time at all, we've got a nice cup of coffee done, and it's preheating for the next batch. And you won't be able to run another cup if you want to double up, get you 2 servings. You won't be able to do that until that water preheats. It has to do that every time. You see that cup is a nice color, good consistency. You don't get any little grinds. We'll give it a 2 thumbs up. And I forgot to mention here earlier in the video, when you turn it on, you just tap the power button. When you turn it off, you have to hold it for approximately 2 seconds. Or you can just ignore it, and after X amount of minutes, it'll just turn itself off. Do you have one of these? Do you like it? What do you think? Leave a comment. Ryan for Silly Reviews. Thanks for watching.